Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's a very good morning. Hope you are all doing great. Past few days I was very ill, so I could not make any videos. Currently I'm doing great, so again I started to make videos. What I'm going to share today is a birthday gift for my brother. At first I thought I'm not going to share this, but lastly I'm doing exactly the opposite. He told me to make something which is handmade. As he is a professor, so I thought only one thing is very meaningful for him, and that is Saraswati Maa painting. You can make this kind of painting for your brother, sister, and also for your teacher as a gift. It will be a wonderful gift for them. I just finished this painting, only the painting. So next what I will do is to make a photo frame for it. After it will finish, I will definitely show this complete painting to you all. Thank you all in advance. Hey, I have an Instagram account where I post the final outcome of all my drawings. Please go check it out. I put that link in my description box and mention on my screen. I want to make a request for all of you. Please give it a like and also share this painting with your loved ones, and do not forget to comment me in my comment section. And also, one more request, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.